Guys, this is my VR response to Ammo Junky's 100 subscriber giveaway. Everybody's showing their Hemis. Wish I could say that this was my Hemi, but it's not. Maybe that's my Hemi. That's definitely not my Hemi. But, you know, I really do wish it was. There's another one. That's not my Hemi. Look what I found. But that's still not my Hemi. I don't know what that is, but that's not my Hemi. Look at that. Look at them custom seats. Wait, what's that? What's that? Now that's a custom armrest. What do you got going on here? I wonder whose Hemi this is. There it is. That's my Hemi. There we go. You guys know what this one does that the others don't, right?